So this is a video on how to trim the fascia covering on your 2016 Odyssey after you put on a tail hitch. You'll find plenty of videos out there that show you how to install the tail hitch. You can see the raised edge makes contact with the tail hitch here. On the back you can kind of see the lip right there. This is how much I cut off. I just really took off the raised edge and that was it. Here's the side profile. Here you can see it put in. I found that I needed to jam my hand in there to put some pressure on the back side so that you can push those plastic fasteners back in. This was also a pretty tight fit for the screw that attaches to the mud flap there. And this is with all the fasteners pushed in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.